If you've never given much thought to how you're using Microsoft 365, you're probably wasting endless hours and making things way more complex than they need to be. You're already paying for the tools, so I made this video to make sure that you're not like 90% of users barely scratching the surface. My name is Michelle Kaye. I'm Microsoft certified and I have seen these 5 issues in client after client, and fixing them changed how they work. So let's start with the thing that everyone does by default, that backfires on them. This is one habit that slows down collaboration, bloats email inboxes, and causes unnecessary confusion. It's attaching files to emails. It's something we've all done for as long as email has existed. And it seems helpful until you realize the damage that it's really doing. Instead of attaching files, share links in the email. It means that your email messages are going to be smaller, which speeds up delivery and also decreases the chance that you'll end up in the spam folder. Plus, everyone involved always has the latest version of the file. No more of, I changed this one, well, I changed that one. You're all working on the same file. Now, honestly, that mistake is tied to common mistake number 2, where you save your files. It can feel safer to save everything on your computer, but actually, that's really, really risky. If your hard drive died without a backup, everything would be gone in an instant. So instead, save all your files online in the cloud. Plus, cloud storage means that your data lives beyond any one device, accessible anytime, anywhere. If you were traveling and had to use a different computer, the file will be there. You can even access them on your smartphone. And when your files are online, upgrading your computer is quick, painless, and you don't lose momentum. By the way, if you feel like saving files slows you down, I made something for you. It's called the 15-minute file finding fix. It walks you through a few small setup tweaks that instantly cut your admin time in half. You can grab it free, links below. Saving your files into the cloud also unlocks smoother teamwork, especially as your business grows. Now, mistake number 3 is not using a tool in Microsoft 365 even though we need it. A lot of people I come across are still paying for Zoom, but Microsoft Teams can replace Zoom and do so much more. Teams lets you record, transcribe, and organize complex conversations into channels. If you've ever lost a key detail in a messy email thread, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and here's where channels are a lifesaver. Features like screen sharing let you guide clients or teammates in real time. As a tech trainer, it used to be so frustrating to be helping someone but not see their screen. Now I can, and we all get things done faster. And if you're using Copilot, it becomes a full-on productivity partner. By the way, if you're curious about incorporating Copilot AI into your business, I have a free guide called Mastering AI Assistants, 5 must-know tips for effective collaboration. It will help you work smarter, and you can download it in the description of this video. Which takes us on to mistake number 4. Every time you create a new document from scratch, you're stealing time from your future self. But creating templates saves that time. They also create instant consistency. That's your logo, your color, your layout. Everything's ready in just one click. Being someone who teaches and simplifies tech, I often get asked to write step-by-step guides. And I now have templates for them, which has saved me countless hours setting it all up with all the formatting and design. Another time-saving tool you have is being able to automate things. But automation doesn't have to be complex or techy. So instead, start with Outlook quick steps or rules. They allow you to deal with that huge email inbox quickly and easily. From there, you can graduate to Power Automate to cut repetitive tasks and errors. And these tools are built for solo operators trying to juggle everything. And finally, common mistake number 5, Microsoft 365 isn't just Word and Outlook. It's a connected system. a whole ecosystem, and many people forget to take advantage of most of it. When you treat each app like a separate product, you miss the whole point, the integration between everything. Use Outlook to launch meetings, Forms to gather data, Excel to analyze, and Power Automate to act. Every workflow you improve adds exponential momentum to your business. By the way, if you want to save time and get more done in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and so much more, I have a free guide, 15 top productivity tips for Microsoft 365. You can download it right now in the description of this video. Having the whole Microsoft 365 ecosystem gives you a major advantage. From seamless data flow, moving between all the different applications, through a unified experience, all the way through to exponential productivity. Make sure that you are taking advantage of this. You're already paying for it. Now, if you're wondering if you have Microsoft 365 set up the right way, I've just made a video showing you how I'd set it up if I was starting over from scratch. Click the video on screen and I'll show you right now.